Hey guys, so I just wanted to get some tips on my workout routine because usually I just start with some Mason twists, then add some push-ups, because there's not really much you can do at Safeway. I mean, I guess I could try lifting like the bags of flour or something, like doing some deadlifts with those. I don't know. But yeah, I keep it usually kind of simple. Just do some push-ups. But then I got interrupted while I was doing these. I wasn't even able to finish my set because my bread was ready from the what the fuck is it called? The proof box. Yeah, and so here's me walking, ready to get the bread. The beeping, it's so loud and it interrupts everything. But there's the bread. Actually, it seems like a proof box hasn't broken lately, and this is like the first time that the bread has come out kind of decent. Like they're pretty puffy. Like you see that, and here I am proofing it. Proofing bread is hard, honestly, for me. I mean, I know I'm a baker, but like I was never taught how to do it, so I kind of just go for it. I mean, my supervisor told me to do it lightly with like three for French and two for sourdough. I don't know why. Honest, I never understood that. Like, is that like a thing in French culture or something? But at the same time, is sourdough even from like French, like a sourdough French, or is just French bread from France? I don't know, but my scoring's pretty good, I think. Especially on these, you'll see at the end. Like this is probably the best batch of bread that I've made, like in a while. Usually my supervisor throws them away because I don't proof them enough. But it's literally not my fault because the proof box is broken. But yeah, they look pretty good. Not too bad, honestly. I really like them. All right, and here's me putting them in the oven. Slide them right in there. It was kind of hard. I started to struggle. Like for some reason, it didn't want to go in. I forgot. It looks like I'm fighting the air, but there was something in the way. I don't really remember what. But it was tough, and I was scared I was gonna fall in there. I mean, I don't know. It's possible. Also, I just noticed my shirt is dirty as fuck. It looks like someone fucking ejaculated all over it. Like, oh my god, look. Okay, it's whatever, I guess. And I actually forgot really what time we're supposed to put it at. I don't really remember that well. There's like a sheet, but I don't know where it is. But I don't know. I just put it in for 17 minutes and then 25 steam, I think. Yeah, 25 steam or 20 steam. I don't know. Some people on Reddit told me 25 or like a higher stream, but I just put it in for 20. And finally, here is the finished product. I am very happy with how these turned out. And I remember when I was filming, you could actually see like the heat waves because they were still really warm and shit. It was really weird. But yeah, please give me some tips on my workout routine because I honestly feel like I'm making no progress like at all. Um, yeah, bye.